Hi there, I'm still Professor Charles. So it's a great day. We have a fresh new plan. We have a new client issue. And our first task is to define the issue. That will give us focus as we research. And looking at the facts that our boss gave us, the cause of action issue, the broadest issue, is simply whether our client was driving under the influence of alcohol. But then as we research, we find that there's a statute on point. And if we take the statute and slash it out, we'll get elements. And you can put the elements in list form, and then that will help you go through each one and determine what's at issue and what's not. And if we go through these elements, really the only thing at issue here is whether our client was actively or was actually in physical control of the vehicle. So that becomes our new refined issue. So then we would go and research that. But then as we're researching, we find that that phrase from the statute, that element from the statute, actual physical control, has actually been defined in case law. Courts have looked at that and defined it as capability to dominate, direct, or regulate the vehicle regardless of whether they exercise the capability and so forth. So now the new refined question is whether our client, who was passed out in the passenger seat, but the car was running, had the capability to dominate, control, or dominate, direct, or regulate the vehicle, regardless of whether he actually did or didn't. So now that's the new, most narrow issue, and we're probably not going to get any more narrow than that. We're going to look for cases that help us understand what the capability to dominate, direct, or regulate the vehicle looks like in real life, and then that's what we will tell our reader about. Okay, so that's how you refine or spot and then refine the issue as you go along. It's really a lot of fun. All right, see you back in the book.